Not everyone wants a huge bike taking up space anymore. And that's exactly why folding e-bikes are blowing up in 2026. They're compact, easy to carry, and surprisingly powerful for something you can fold in seconds. So if you're looking for a smarter way to ride around the city, here are the top 6 best folding e-bikes of 2026. Let's get into it. This is Ride Nexus. Top 6 best folding e-bikes. Number 6. Electric XP Lite 2.0. Portability and affordability define the Electric XP Lite 2.0, which remains the most budget-friendly e-bike in our current recommendations. Starting at just $799, this model is significantly lighter than its XP4 sibling, weighing only 49 pounds. Yet it still includes high-end safety features like hydraulic disc brakes, a rarity at this price point. The most innovative update for this version is the introduction of an optional Gates carbon belt drive for an additional $100. This belt system offers a nearly maintenance-free experience, eliminating the need for grease or chain adjustments, which is perfect for riders who want a clean, quiet commute. Customization is a key theme for the XP Lite 2.0, as riders can now choose between a standard 7.8 Ah battery or an extended range 14 Ah. Long-range option for $999, $1,099 if paired with the belt drive. Despite its smaller 300-watt motor, 819-watt peak, the bike provides surprising climbing ability and features the same 48V system found on electric's more expensive models. The cockpit has also been modernized with a vibrant color LCD display and adjustable BMX-style handlebars that offer excellent control. Number 5. Blix Vika X. Classic styling meets cutting-edge technology in the Blix Vika X, a folding e-bike that prioritizes portability and high-tech features. For $1,799, it introduces an industry rarity in this segment: electronic shifting. Using an 8-speed microshift system with sleek electronic paddle shifters, it offers smooth, precise gear changes and even includes an auto mode that can shift for you based on speed and cadence. This system is paired with a 500-watt rear hub motor and a responsive torque sensor, providing a ride feel that is both nimble and intuitive for urban environments. Compactness is a major selling point here, as the Vika X weighs in at a relatively light 61 pounds and folds down to a manageable size secured by magnets. Despite its small footprint, it doesn't skimp on safety or utility. It features integrated turn signals and a powerful 120 lux high-beam headlight that is remarkably bright for a folding model. The MIK-compatible rear rack supports up to 60 pounds, making it easy to snap on baskets or child seats for daily errands. While the 12.8 Ah battery is smaller than some competitors, the entire electrical system is UL certified, UL 2849 for the bike and UL 2271 for the battery, offering peace of mind to riders who prioritize safety and build quality in a stylish, travel-friendly package. Number 4. Aventon Cinch 2.5. Polished design and robust all-terrain capability define the Aventon Cinch 2.5, which serves as a significant upgrade over the previous Cinch 2. Priced at $1,799, it continues to offer a premium folding fat tire experience while introducing key hardware improvements that justify the investment. Riders will appreciate the move to Tektro hydraulic disc brakes with 180mm rotors, providing a massive increase in stopping power and reliability over the older mechanical system. The drivetrain also gets a boost with a Shimano Altus 8-speed setup, delivering smoother and more dependable shifting across varied terrain. Comfort and control are at the forefront of the Cinch 2.5's design, featuring a well-tuned torque sensor that makes the 500-watt motor, 750-watt peak, feel incredibly responsive to your pedaling effort. While it is technically a Class 2 e-bike, it can reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour with pedal assist, outperforming many competitors in the folding category. The bike arrives virtually fully assembled and includes high-quality 4-inch fat tires for stability on sand or dirt, along with integrated lights and turn signals for urban safety. Perhaps its greatest advantage for long-term owners is Aventon's vast dealership network of over 1,800 shops, offering a level of local service and support that few direct-to-consumer brands can match. Number 3. Electric Fold 1 Plus. Technological customization takes center stage with this premium folder, priced at $1,499. Its standout feature is sensor swap technology, allowing you to switch between a cadence sensor for effortless cruising and a torque sensor for a more responsive, traditional bike feel. Performance is equally impressive, with a 750W motor peaking at 1,100 watt and delivering 75 Nm of torque for better climbing. The 48V13A battery provides a generous 68-mile range, while a center-mounted 3.5-inch color display and 130 LUX headlight modernize the cockpit. Durability and weather protection are where this bike truly leads the industry, featuring an IPX6 rating for the bike and an IPX7 rating for the battery, meaning it can handle heavy rain and even brief submersion. Practical features like turn signals, a multi-mode brake light, and a massive 450 pounds total payload capacity make it a versatile workhorse. While the 7-speed Shimano Tourney drivetrain is more basic than its tech, the inclusion of Apple Find My and a network of over 1,000 local dealers ensures a high-end ownership experience that goes beyond the initial purchase. Number 2. Ride 1UP Portula. Breaking into the sub-$1,000 market with high-end polish, this compact folder offers an impressive entry point for new riders. A low 15-inch standover height makes the frame approachable for a wide range of heights, from 4'10" to 6 tall. While the bike utilizes a cadence sensor, Ride 1UP has paired it with a current-based pedal assist system, R1CBC, that mimics a more expensive torque sensor feel by delivering power based on wattage rather than chasing a specific speed. The 750W sustained motor is plenty punchy, delivering 65 Nm of torque and allowing for easy toggling between Class 1, 2, and 3 modes directly from the display. High-quality components like a Shimano Altus 8-speed drivetrain and hydraulic disc brakes help this bike punch above its weight class. Utility is another strong suit, featuring a heavy-duty integrated rear rack rated for 120 pounds that is also compatible with the Thule Maxi Child seat. Pricing starts at $995 for the standard 10.4Ah battery, jumping to $1,095 for the 13.4Ah long-range option. As is common with direct-to-consumer brands, some home assembly is required, but the result is a well-spec'd folder that offers exceptional value. Number 1. Lectric XP4. Few folding models can claim the legacy of the Lectric XP series, which stands as the best-selling folding e-bike line in history. This latest evolution, the XP4, manages to improve the riding experience across the board while maintaining its accessible $999 starting price. One of the most significant additions is the proprietary PWR Plus torque sensor, which replaces traditional cadence sensing to deliver power that feels completely natural and intuitive to your pedaling effort. For those choosing the long-range version, a more robust 750-watt motor, 1,310-watt peak, paired with a 17.5Ah battery provides 85 Nm of torque, making it a capable hill climber with a range of up to 85 miles. Safety and usability also see a major boost with the inclusion of custom Star Union hydraulic brakes featuring 2.3mm thick rotors for better heat management. The drivetrain also received an upgrade from the basic Shimano Tourney to a Shimano Altus derailleur and improved gearing to better handle Class 3 speeds. Navigating settings is now simpler thanks to a detachable color TFT display with easy-to-use menus. Since Lectric sells primarily direct-to-consumer, they've invested heavily in a robust support network, including a US-based service team and a massive, active Facebook owners group. This community-driven approach ensures that online buyers have a reliable safety net for assembly advice and long-term maintenance. Alright, those were some of the coolest folding e-bikes you can get your hands on in 2026. If you had to pick one for yourself, which one would it be? Let me know down in the comments. And if you enjoy discovering smart bikes, cool tech, and the latest rides hitting the market, subscribe to Ride Nexus. There's a lot more coming. Thanks for watching.